Hello people and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to make Pav Bahji Cheese Founde. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients. 1 big onion, 2 big tomatoes, 1 small capsicum, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 cup of milk, then 2 tablespoons of Pav Bahji masala, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 3 to 4 slices of cheese, half cup of fresh cream. Then I took grated cheese for the last. So let's get started. First, put in the butter. First put in little bit of oil. That's it. And now add in little bit of butter. And then, so first put in the onions. Mix it well. Add in the ginger garlic paste. Okay. And saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. So as you can see, it has become little bit red. I'm going to add in the capsicum. Mix it well. So now I'm adding in the tomatoes. And so you have to mix the tomatoes until it becomes soft. Cheese. So now add in the green chilies and salt. And remember to add in the salt less because we are adding cheese also. So as you can see, the tomato has become soft, so add in the cheese. You can add grated cheese, but over here I am adding in the slices. And now add in the milk. Mix it well. Now over here add in the Pav Bahji masala and the red chilli powder. Mix it well. So the mixture is ready, and now I'm going to turn off the flame and let it cool down. So the mixture is cooled down and I have transferred it into a jar. Now I'm going to grind the mixture. So now the mixture is ready and I have transferred it into a pan. I'm going to add in the half cup of fresh cream. Mix it well. And if you think so a little bit milk is required, you can add in it. So now let it boil. So now as you can see it's boiling. I'm going to turn off the flame and take it out in a bowl. So now I'm going to put it over here, and as you can see I've already roasted some pavs, and I'm going to decorate it with roasted cheese, grated cheese, and add in a pudina leaf. Oopsie. And there it is. So that's pretty much it. I thank you people for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell notification icon so that whenever I upload a new video you can get notified. I'll see you later. Bye.